Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Trading Friend. Today I am going to teach you one important risk associated with the trading with single lot and multiple lot system, and also I'll tell you how to overcome that and how to manage the risk. Okay, so what is that risk? Brokerage is one of your risk. Okay, how is that is risk? Okay, so I'm going to explain you that today. Consider you are using a capital of 50,000 and you are making a decent profit of 5,000 per month. It might be an options buying or whatever it is. Okay. And total trades you are taking 100 trades to achieve that 5,000. And what is the brokerage for this 100 trades? Okay. So I'll just take you to the calculator, brokerage calculator by Upstocks. Okay, where it is. Now the currently market is running at 39,000. I'll just select randomly and I'll select quantity 25, that is one lot, and I'll keep buy and sell price same so that I'll come to know what is the brokerage. Okay, you can see here brokerage is 40 rupees, other charges are 60 rupees, break even is 2.44, and total you will have to pay 60 rupees even if you are buying at 60 and selling at, you are not taking any loss, also you are not taking any profit, also still you have to pay 60 rupees to the government or to the Zerodha people. So that is what is very important here. So that is 60 rupees you are paying, and into total number of trades you are taking 100 in a month, I am telling. Okay, so that will come from where come around 6,000 rupees brokerage in a month. Okay, consider you have an API charges of 4,000 randomly, I'm just telling you, and other expense, it might be your electricity charges or internet charges or any other. If you are doing algo trading, algo charges, randomly I'll keep it 3,000. Okay, so what is your total expense? So it will be sum of these three, right? So you are generating 5,000 but you are paying 30,000 as charges, expenses. Okay, so what is in and profit? 5,000 minus 13,000, you are still in minus 8,000 loss. Your capital was 50,000 and you are in loss of 8,000 that particular month. What is ROI? 8,000 divided by 50,000 percentage, that is minus 16%. Okay, even if it is strategy is working, you are coming in green, your month end you are in green, but still you are making losses. That means there is somewhere some risk which is happening and you are not able to identify it. Okay, this is for one lot. Okay, I'll make you clear. Okay, consider you are doing with 5 lots. Okay, and your capital increase gradually, 2,50,000. Gross profit also increases gradually, that is 25,000. 5,000 into 5, and number of trades remains same. Okay, this is one very important thing here which you have to learn. Okay, and what will be the brokerage for 5 lots? Come, we'll go here and we'll check 125 quantity, again 300 I'll keep. Your brokerages will reduce to 75 rupees, that is total is 115. Okay, that means 115 into 100. Okay, I'll just keep simple, very simple, round figures. Okay, 11,500 is your brokerage, and this API charges remain same and other charges also will remain same, right? So what is your total expense now? Total expense is 18,500. And what is your in hand profit? Okay, see here, now you are in green. This is what I am trying to explain. 6,500. You are following the same strategy, you are not doing any changes, nothing changes, still you are in green. What is your ROI? 2.6. You are doing same strategy with one lot, you are doing same strategy with 5 lots. There is a difference in the results, right? So again we'll go for one more chain, 10 lots, we'll go for 10 lots, we'll see the difference. What is that difference we are going to see? So here capital used is 5 lakh. Your profit gradually increases to 50,000 because one per lot it is 5,000, and trades remain same. That is very important here in this calculation. So this will be brokerage. Okay, we'll do for 250 10 lots. Brokerage will be 183 rupees. Okay, that we will change it to 183 into 100. Okay, that is 18,000. Your brokerages got increased for 10 lots now, but your API charges remain same, your algo charges and internet charge, other expenses remain same. What is your total expense? Here expense is 25,000, and what is that you are getting in hand? That is 24,000. It is still more green, right? 24,000. And what is your ROI? ROI is 4.94%, right? So this is what I'm trying to explain you guys. So if you are doing with one lot same strategy, you are ending in loss. You are with 5 lots, you are somewhere near to break even, and with 10 lots somewhere you are in good green. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to explain you. There is a risk involved with one lot traders, or with new traders who are getting into market and facing too many losses. Try to understand this concept, try to understand this risk associated with the brokerages. Put your Excel sheet, calculate all these things, and then take a conclusion, like with how many lots I should start with. If you are starting any if you are adapting any strategy to your portfolio, do this type of risk analysis. Definitely you can come out of this and make sure you close your month in green. Okay, so yeah, also like when you are starting adopting any strategy, don't calculate all these things, just calculate the gross profit. If you are trying to adapt a new strategy to your portfolio, later once you are familiar, you get confidence, 3 months 6 months, you do calculate only based on gross profit. Once you are confident on that strategy, then you ramp up. If you at all you want to do with one lot, okay, initially you want to do with one lot, you don't want to take risk, so that time you calculate your ROI based on your gross profit. Once you are confident, yeah, then immediately ramp up to 5 lots or 10 lots. Okay, this is how you can manage your risk. So thank you guys. Thanks for the patiently you watched the video. So if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel, your trading friend. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more and more such videos. So thank you.